Hi everyone, I am Athira Raj from Access Language School. In this video, I am going to share with you some filler words that can make you sound confident. That means, by using such filler words, you can avoid awkward silence from your conversation. So the first one is basically. So basically is used when you need to think about the answer or the statement, or you need some time to start your answer. In that cases, you can use such filler words. For example, I need basically a better study plan. So actually I wanted to say that I need a better study plan. So instead of making a pause in between the sentence, I just used a filler word there. The second one is actually. Actually can be used like, actually I think a better study plan is quite necessary. So at the starting of a sentence, instead of wasting some time to think about the answer, I just used a filler word. Okay. Then the next one is or something like that. So this phrase is used when you are not sure about the exact answer or you don't know the exact answer. In that cases, you can use this phrase. For example, I think Annie's husband is a writer or something like that. So here, I'm not sure about the answer, but I don't want to get into an awkward feeling about not being sure. So instead of using a wrong answer, I just used this filler phrase. Then the last one is I mean. I think this is a commonly used one, right? So this phrase is used when we need to clarify something or when we need to emphasize a statement. We use such phrases. For example, I mean he is a good teacher but I don't like him. So I hope these phrases will be useful for you when you are in an awkward silence situation in your conversation. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe Access Language School.